The 2024 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition. There is no doubt that rivals will know a hard-edged competitor is in the race. The slew of KTM PowerParts editions chisel this bike for one purpose only. A fresh and bold style combination of colors, graphics and bodywork screams racing. Built to compete, built to excel, and the meld of orange, white and black tells you all the rest. Model highlights: orange frame, FMF factory 4.1 RCT silencer, factory racing triple clamps, factory wheel set, factory start device, skid plate, factory racing seat, front wave brake disc, rear wave brake disc, front brake disc guard, orange rear sprocket, HINSON outer clutch cover.